Hello everyone, it's Dale here with a new weekly trading ideas video. What you see before you is NinjaTrader 8 platform with my custom-made volume profile and view up indicators. You're looking at a 30-minute time frame of the British pound US dollar, and in here I want to show you a support. It is in here and it is at 1.2565. This support is based on a volume profile setup, and with this setup what you first need to see is a strong rejection, like this one. This is a strong rejection of lower prices, and what it is telling us is that sellers were pushing the price aggressively downwards, and then buyers started to jump in and pushed the price aggressively upwards. Within that rejection zone, there needs to be a heavy volume cluster, like this one, somewhere around the place where the price turned. Otherwise, it's not a valid setup to trade. Alright, so first identify rejection, then use volume profile to look for significant volume cluster, like this one. I have my level at the beginning of that volume cluster, and in here, this volume cluster is pointing us to a place where the buyers, the aggressive buyers who turned the price from sell-off into buying activity, started to buy aggressively. So this is the place which is most important within this rejection. And when the price reaches this zone at some point in the future, it's likely that buyers from here will want to defend this place and push the price upwards from there again. In my experience, the biggest chance of a reaction is at the beginning of that heavy volume zone, so that's why I have the level here. Alright, so now we just need to wait for the price to reach this level, and if it reaches this level, then in ideal case open up the Oriflow software for trade entry confirmation and take it from there. If you don't have Oriflow, you can trade this without Oriflow confirmation, but Oriflow will improve your trade entry and also your trade exits. Now this level is actually a level which I published yesterday for members of my trading course. If you would like to join us, then head over to my website. It is at trader-dale.com. Currently, I'm running a special discount. You can get it if you click in here, then it will take you to this special discount page, and in here you can get my best educational and indicator packs massively discounted. In here, this is the volume profile pack, which will teach you everything about volume profile trading. Then there is the Oriflow pack, which will teach you everything about Oriflow trading, and then there is the investing pack, which will teach you everything about long-term investing. Those packs are currently massively discounted. As I was saying, I'm running a special discount, so this is where you can get them. If you scroll down a bit, then there's a huge discount for all three of them, so you can get a pack of all the three packs all together for $5.97. Alright, so that's the special Valentine's Day deal which I'm running on my website. But anyways, let me go back to the charts. Let me go to the next trading idea, and the next one is on the Euro Swiss franc. So here is a 30-minute time frame of the Euro Swiss franc, and I want to talk about this support which formed at 0.9438. This support is based on a volume profile setup, which is called the volume accumulation setup. With this setup, you first need to see a rotation, like this one, followed by a strong trending activity, like this one. By the way, I really like this aggressive buying movement, this aggressive candle. So this is what you want to see when you trade this setup. The next thing, there needs to be heavy volume zone at the beginning of that buying activity. So this is the heavy volume zone. It formed within the rotation before this strong buying activity, and it is telling us that buyers were building up the long positions in here, and then they pushed the price upwards. So when there's a pullback, chances are that buyers from here will want to defend this place and push the price upwards, all right? Because this place is clearly important for them, as they placed a lot of the long positions here before manipulating the price to go upwards. So this is important zone for buyers. They're likely to defend it, and that's why there's likely to be a reaction. All right, so we just need to wait for the price to reach this level and then take it from there. Now let me go to the next trading idea, and it's on the Canadian dollar Japanese yen. So this is Canadian dollar Japanese yen, a 30-minute time frame, my favorite time frame to do this day trading analysis. And in here we have the same trading setup as on the Euro Swiss franc, the volume accumulation setup. So we have a rotation followed by a strong and aggressive trend activity. Let's use the volume profile here and look into the rotation zone to see how the volumes are distributed here. As you can see, there were massive volumes here, massive volumes accumulated before this strong buying activity. So this is telling us that buyers were active here, buyers were accumulating their positions there, and then they pushed the price upwards. So when the price reaches this level, which is the beginning of that heavy volume zone, and it is at 110.90, then chances are that there'll be a reaction, as the buyers from here are likely to defend this place where they accumulated their long positions, right? This is important zone for them, and they'll want to defend it. Now we just need to wait for the pullback to this level and then take it from there. All right, so that's about the Canadian dollar Japanese yen and for the trading ideas. Now before I wrap the video up, I'd like to announce a winner of the contest we had last time. The prize of the contest were my custom-made indicators for TradingView platform, and right now on your screen you see the name of the person who won in the contest. So congratulations to the winner, and what I'll do next is I'll do another contest for the next week, and the only thing that you need to do to participate in the contest is leave a comment below this video, which I'll upload on YouTube, and next week I'll randomly pick one person to win my custom-made volume profile and view up indicators for TradingView. Alright, so that's about that. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video or in our members area. So see you next time, and until then, happy trading!